We are at the zoo, and I don't know why we thought this was a good idea, because it's freaking below freezing. It's really, really cold, and there's no one here, and I'm cold. Where are we going?
He's talking to a white bird.
Did you guys know the sentence? No, go away! Gosh dang it, Jade. The sentence. Buffalo, 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 buffalo is a grammatically correct sentence. Because buffalo is a noun and verb and an adjective, so you can say buffalo, buffalo, which is like buffalo from buffalo, buffalo, which is a verb meaning to bully. Buffalo, buffalo, bully, bullies, nope. Buffalo from buffalo, way too many B words, I'm sorry, but I can't explain this. You just go look it up, I swear. Everybody wants a water buffalo. Yours is fast, but mine is slow. Something. Dang it! None of the rest. All right. You guys, there's no glass. Oh my God, there's no glass and there's birds. Hey, pretty. So this guy went and got a stick, and he's gonna go work and build the nest. Oh, this one has glass. Hey, buddy. Oh. I think it might be hungry. I think so too, yeah. I think we should leave now. Maybe not. Ooh. There's still no glass. That's cool. Is it out there? Most of them are over here. Oh yeah, there they are. Hello, friends. I like this guy. Pretty intense. The lone emu sits and waits for death. Oh, that's kind of morbid. We accidentally just spent an hour in the birds, so now we're leaving because we only have 2 hours left here, and that's the first thing we've done. The sea lions. One just popped up right in front of this little girl taking a photo. It was pretty much the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh, here's one. Oh, there he is, there he is. There you are. Hey, buddy. He's just showboating. It's like photography, me. Nope, that's not how that works. We had a friend. He just left us. He's like hopping up, like standing on his fence. He's gonna do it as soon as I turn the camera off. Friend. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Jay, did you see the guy on the rock?
The guy?
Look at the seal.
Thank you guys. Oh, I don't know.
He came back. Hey, buddy. Hello. He is a happy little seal.
Kind of a big seal.
Look at you. Oh my gosh. Hi.
Hiyo.
What are you doing? What? What just happened?
I have no clue.
That was fantastic. Hi, buddy. Hi. Bye. That was fantastic. Well, hello. Hello, what? What, Snowy Owl? We're gonna go find Hedwig. Hedwig!
Oh,
Hedwig, Hedwig! We found the Hedwig. Snowy Owl. Look at the Hedwig. Hello. Hedwig. Hedwig, I'm sorry about that death thing.
Don't let me see it happen. It came right for me.
It was a really tiny little bird and you just tumbled over backwards.
It had like a 7-foot wingspan for just one wing.
It was in Japan. Jade, there's a condor, the bird that we just saw, came flying like right at Jade, but it was like a huge condor.
It grabbed the cage
and she,
right where I was standing.
She like walked backwards and then there's a stroller, so she like fell over backwards over the stroller. It was fantastic. Oh, look, a bald eagle. Ooh, what the heck are you? This isn't a bald eagle, obviously, but what the heck? All right, that was creepy.
Hello.
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 Oh, why are you fuzzy? Why you be fuzzy?
Bald eagle.
You are an ugly son of a biscuit. Oh, why is it fuzzy? It won't focus on your face.
Golden eagle.
Whoa, hello, Bridge.
This is. I can take some pictures of you.
You're an ugly son of a biscuit.
I know.
Whoa, 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 running, running. I think he wants Stan to be insulted. Whoa! Hello, Hoppy. You are hyperactive and ugly.
Oh, he's not that ugly. He's fuzzy.
He's huggable. Jade wants to hug the large, dangerous bird of prey. I think we might have failed to mention that there's literally nobody here with us. Oh, found people. It's because it's so dang cold out today. Oh no, they work here. Cold.
Oh, hey.
Peacock. Behind the chairs. Oh, another peacock. Hello, friend.
Cheeseburger in one sitting.
Hello, pretty.
Posing up there.
He's a poser.
I wanna go over there and pose.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy, how do you call for the hyenas?
What's that?
How do you call for the hyenas?
I don't.
You just were doing it.
No.
Daddy. Daddy.
Son is a zebra. There's a.
My dad doesn't actually love me. Hello, friends. Otters. Hello, cuties. Oh, why are you leaving me? Why don't you love me anymore?
Oh, no, never mind. Oh, look at that.
Did you see their face? It looks really creepy. Let's go this way. They're so cute. And here's your monkey friend.
No, Johnny.
Cool. Where'd the other one go? Ah. Hard to see behind this glass, it's all dirty. But very cool indeed. Polar bear. See, at least it's half the animals are out, but the polar bear is out. This is what we are going to see. Bubble show.
One day.
That's how close
Can we
we
pay
are.
$20 to be in the one?
If you got 20 bucks.
Put you in.
Please, I want to be in the bubble.
Oh, yeah. Well, that happens in real life. It's a store near me. I go, and I pick those costumes, and they're like $2.
Bubble Show NYC.
Aftermath.
Need ideas for an upcoming